One way to give yourself a self-assessment at home is a great test called the 1/3 knee bend test. If you don't have great balance, you can hold on to something, hold on to a stable chair, stable table, you can even hold on to a wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my balance on one foot. I took my shoe off so you can see the mechanics of my foot a little bit better. I'm going to get my balance first, and then I'm going to squat down about 1/3 of the way of my full range of motion. It's called the 1/3 knee bend test. And what I'm looking for is my foot alignment. Does my foot wobble a lot? Am I collapsing in? Am I staying neutral? Or am I putting more weight onto the outside of my foot? I'm also looking at my knee. As I'm bending down, does my knee stay right in line with my hip? Or does it collapse in a little bit, which indicates weakness in the outside of your hip? Or is my knee coming out really far, which indicates weakness on the inside of the thigh? So that gives us a lot of information, physical therapy-wise, on some muscle imbalances that we may need to work on and address. Something else that you can look at if you're just standing is what are the alignment of your feet? Are they neutral here? Or do you have a tendency to roll out this way, retroversion? So not only are your feet pointed out, but your hips are also rotated out externally. Or are you pigeon-toed here where your toes are pointing in, which also means that your hips are internally rotated here. So there might be some muscle restrictions here, also some muscle imbalances that we can address with physical therapy.
If your athletes are unable to perform these stretches or tests properly, or if they are complaining about pain or discomfort before, during, or after practices and games, this is a warning sign that they have some muscle imbalances, putting them at risk for injuries. Loudon Sports Therapy Center can help you address these problems and keep your athletes healthy and strong. Call Loudon Sports Therapy Center today at 703-450-4300 and find out how we can help you and your team.